Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different types of stress relief balls, because if there's anything that we need right now, it's some stress relief, especially those of us doing e-learning with our kids. So what you're going to need is a funnel, a balloon, a plastic water bottle, and some of these gel beads. I've got the ones that were already expanded. I know like some of them you have to do that yourself, but I would just wanted to skip one step and just get them already expanded. So I'm going to put the funnel down in here and just dump these inside there. Be careful dumping them in there. They are very bouncy. And I think having it filled up this much to here will be fine. But what you're going to do is you're just going to put the balloon top of the bottle cap like that, and then you just squeeze the beads into the balloon. And fill it up however much you want. You don't have to use the whole thing. I'm probably just going to fill mine up to about right there. Then you just take it off and then just tie the balloon. And then I'm just going to cut this little piece off. Here you have one of the varieties of stress balls you can make. You saw this was super easy to do, really inexpensive, and it works really well. And the second type we're going to make is just the regular flower balls. So I'm just going to put this in here, and then I just put the flour in a cup. You just dump that in. And once you get the flour in there, we're going to do the same thing we did with the other one and just put the tip of the balloon over the bottle. You're just going to basically do the same thing. Just squeeze the flour into the balloon. And I'm going to make mine about this size, and then you just tie it. And what I'm going to do with this one to make it a little more extra fun, I'm going to draw a smiley face on it because I'm making this one for my son. So I drew the face on there, and then I got this yarn and I just cut it, and I'm going to use this for hair. And I'm just going to tie it around the top here. And there we have our silly smiley face stress ball. Next, we're going to make another flower ball. So we're going to go ahead and put the flower in there. And this is the one that I thought my daughter would like. So we're just going to put this over and just do exactly what we did before. Then when you get it to the size that you like, then you just tie the end. And this one's going to be kind of different. We're going to make an octopus out of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this one in a sock, because I think this is going to be the easiest way to do this. So you just put it in a sock and then take a rubber band and just put it around that way. Like that. And then I'm just going to cut off the heel part for the sock. Then you just cut strips to make the tentacles. Just like this. And what I'm going to do too is I have these little googly eyes, and I'm just going to hot glue them onto here. And then there we have our octopus stress ball. I think it's so cute. My daughter's going to love it. But I think kids would have a really good time doing these. They're really inexpensive and quick to make, and you only need a few things to make these. I mean, most of this, the only thing that I think I really had to buy was just the gel beads. That was it. So most of the stuff I had just laying around my house. And I think my kids will really like them. And this one is the one I made for me. But I hope you like these ideas and you enjoyed the video. And I hope everyone's staying safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.